This is the ELA activity list for the week of March 5th, and it is due this Friday, March 9th. Required for 3 times, 20 minutes each. Read to self and practice your power goal. Check each box when you've done it. For work on writing this week, you have a choice to read desert geography or listen to desert geography. This can be done independent or pair. Write your pair on the line and reflect when you're done. Then, required for 15 minutes, you're going to create a narrative Foursquare plan telling a story about a day you went to a desert. Remember to include an introduction, at least 2 major events, and a conclusion. Your Foursquare is done independently. Reflect when you're finished. When you're done with your Foursquare, required for 20 minutes, it says, using your Foursquare plan, write a narrative draft telling a story about your day you went to the desert. This is independent. Reflect when you're done. For writing, you're also doing required for 10 minutes. Complete the writing fix-it activity in the resource area. This is independent or pair. Reflect when you're done. For reading comprehension this week, required for 20 minutes, you're going to read the story Blizzard. Then you're going to answer the questions in the resource area. Then glue the paper into your severe weather journal. This is independent or pair. Reflect when you're done. Don't forget that your severe weather journal is what we do in the afternoon. That's where you're gluing this in. For listen to the reading this week, we're still doing Raz Kids, 15 minutes. Listen to a story on Raz Kids on your level. What is the title? The title goes on the line. Then take a quiz and write down your score. Your score goes on the line. Independent, reflect when you're done. For foundational skills this week, we're doing different sounds of Y. Required for 20 minutes. Green and blue readers are both doing Y as a vowel worksheet. Red readers are doing the words ending in Y worksheet. And the white readers are doing the Y with the sound of long I worksheet. This is independent. Reflect when you're done. Required for 5 minutes, you need to scan the QR code and review the tricky words on your level. Independent. Reflect when you're done. In social studies this week, you're going to read The Island of Hope in the resource area or scan the QR code and listen to Island of Hope. So you have a choice, 20 minutes, independent or pair. Write your pair's name on the line and reflect when you're done. After you've read or listened, required for 20 minutes, it says, then answer the Island of Hope questions in the resource area. This should be done independent. Reflect when you're finished. Good luck this week.